OV, after living in a dozen or so different apartments throughout your 20s, you finally bought your dream home. But 4 years later, you realized living in a home wasn't your dream at all. So you packed up everything you owned to travel full time. And today's the day you're picking up the home on wheels that you'll be living in for the foreseeable future. It's a far cry from the 4,000 square feet you've been living in, but spirits are high. With plenty of natural light and even more freedom, I think we're all pretty excited. Because the hope is by living with less, you'll have the added benefit of gaining so much more. But without failure, quickly reminded that on your pursuit for less, you might have taken on more, and your carefree adventure has turned into a lot of expensive chores. You don't have any running water and it's still the winter in Canada, and you're reminded how high the stakes really are. You ask yourself. But you push that thought aside and continue on packing your life, and you quickly realize you brought way too much stuff with you. And packing is taking you longer than you expected. At least he's having fun. You make time for a dance party as your sidekick repacks everything. You have to get out of the Canadian winter, so you start to drive south. And you stop at your favorite resort on the way, which isn't very glamorous, but there's something satisfying about it being free. Husband tells you we have food at home, and he means it. And after making some burritos in this church parking lot, spirits are high. Next logistical hurdle, which is always a little nerve-wracking, even though you know you're not doing anything wrong, is leaving your home country for the United States. Border Patrol makes you bring your dog and your babies inside as they search your home. But everybody there is really nice, and when they tell you you're free to go, it finally feels like the adventure's begun. You're gonna count this day among the good ones.